What if the moon suddenly disappeared? Imagine looking up at the night sky, but instead of seeing the bright moon, there's nothing. No explosion, no warning, it simply vanished. At first, it might not seem like a big deal. After all, the moon is just a giant rock floating in space, right? Wrong. The disappearance of the moon would trigger a chain reaction that would change Earth forever. Here's what would actually happen. The very first thing you notice is the darkness. A full moon reflects enough sunlight to illuminate the entire landscape. Without it, nights would become much darker. Millions of people would suddenly see more stars than ever before. But while humans could adapt, many animals couldn't. Sea turtles use moonlight to find the ocean after hatching. Many birds navigate by the moon. Owls, insects, and countless nocturnal animals rely on its light to hunt or survive. Within just a few days, entire ecosystems would begin to fall into chaos. But that's only the beginning. The oceans would be next. The moon is responsible for most of Earth's tides. Its gravity constantly pulls on our oceans, creating the rise and fall of sea levels every day. Without the moon, tides wouldn't disappear completely because the sun also creates tides, but they would become much weaker, around 70% smaller. That might sound harmless, but it isn't. Many marine species depend on tides for feeding and reproduction. Coastal ecosystems would begin collapsing. Countless fish, shellfish, crabs, and seabirds would lose the environments they've relied on for millions of years. Fishing industries around the world would suffer massive losses. Entire food chains would be disrupted, and things would only get worse. The moon isn't just pulling on our oceans, it's also stabilizing Earth itself. Our planet spins like a giant top. The moon acts like a stabilizer, helping keep Earth's axis tilted at a relatively steady angle. Without that stabilizing force, Earth's tilt would slowly begin changing unpredictably. Not tomorrow, not next year, but over thousands and millions of years. Some regions could experience freezing winters lasting for months longer than today. Others could become unbearably hot. Entire climates would shift. Deserts could become forests. Forests could become frozen wastelands. Life on Earth would face constant environmental changes, unlike anything humans have ever experienced. And there's something even stranger. The moon is actually slowing Earth's rotation. Every year, its gravity slightly reduces the speed at which Earth spins. It's an incredibly tiny effect, but over billions of years, it has made our days much longer. Without the moon, that braking effect would disappear. Earth wouldn't suddenly spin faster overnight, but its long-term evolution would change forever. Calendars and shaped human culture. Its disappearance wouldn't only change science, it would erase a part of human history. So, could humanity survive without the moon? Probably, at least in the short term. Cities would still function, people would continue living their daily lives. But Earth's oceans, its climate, its wildlife, and eventually life itself would never be the same. The moon may look like nothing more than a silent rock in the sky, but in reality, it is one of the most important reasons our planet remains stable enough for life to exist. Sometimes, the things that seem the least important are actually holding our entire world together. If the moon disappeared tonight, Earth would never truly recover.